Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Voronezh. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized and began replacing the equipment that was morally and technically obsolete. I have been working as a chief engineer for 25 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace technically unsuitable equipment independently, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a machine for packaging PVC blisters, with pills in a cardboard box. The packaging machine is used as part of automatic lines, at the final stage or separately. The choice of machine depends on the materials used and the desired output. The blisters of tablets are placed in prepared cardboard boxes, according to the technological process of carton packaging. The blister packing process itself, or cartoner, performs in white cardboard boxes of 2 blisters each. The old machine was constantly being repaired, and we could not deliver the drug to the customer on time. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in the selection, and remained the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a machine for packing blister packs of tablets into cartons. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment as the main criteria. I first approached a company in Germany, who offered me an automatic packaging machine, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company in Kaliningrad. She said that they do not produce this type of machines, but if we can wait, they are ready to design and produce the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for a carton blister packaging machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry, and maybe suggest another option for the machine. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. In 5 days I got 11 variants of different machines for packing blisters of tablets into a carton box, and an offer to make a choice by myself. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in solving the problem of finding the equipment. The last, third option of an intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the material of bottles, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consulting, he suggested the equipment for packing blisters of tablets into a carton box, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine, and asked to send blanks of our boxes and blisters with pills. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video where we could see our equipment. The entire cartoning process is automated. The machine forms 2 blisters, and they go to the packaging on the conveyor. A special pusher inserts 2 blisters into a cardboard box, where folded paper instructions are also inserted. The blisters and the sheet of paper instruction, which contained information about the drug's prescription, method of administration and side effects, were folded and held together with the help of metal fixing devices. Rectangular boxes were then formed on the production line, and the process of packing blisters of tablets was carried out. The finished boxes of blisters were pushed out to a collection point under the conveyor. 1 month after signing the contract, we received a machine for packing blister pills into cardboard boxes. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine and trained the workers, who will be assigned to the machine. In a week, we were satisfied with the equipment, though frankly speaking I was skeptical about this machine. It seemed to me that it was too difficult to operate. However, practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made, if I had made the choice myself.